Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. In front of me Sony Alpha, and now I'm gonna show you how to precise focus area limit. So this setting allows you to limit which focus area modes are available. So it's helping you streamline your choices based on your preferences, so you can select or deselect these modes to customize your menu. Here we have a lot of features, and for example I want to disable these. Maybe I need to tell you something about these features, right? So for example, let's start with white. So white is full frame automatic focusing, zone is focused within the selected zone, center point focusing, flexible spot SML, and so small, medium and large flexible spot focusing. So that's it. Track and expand, here we have flexible spot, so track and expand expands focus to surrounding points while tracking a subject. Tracking L, M, S, so track the subject with a specific spot size, large, small. Tracking center, so tracks the subject starting from the center. Tracking zone, tracks the subject within a selected zone. Tracking white, tracking the subject across the whole frame. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.